Cut nanotech film to the desired length. Crimp the connectors using nanotech parallel action crimping tool. Apply spray contact adhesive both on nanotech film and the ceiling. Ensure complete coverage. Wait for 10 minutes maximum for adhesive to set and adhere the film to the ceiling. Use a flexible scraper to remove any air bubbles. Connect the wires. Use a paper knife to cut holes for the lights. The hole must be 5 mm larger than the fitting on all sides to avoid short circuits. Cover nanotech film using an extremely thin skim of flexible plaster, or emulsion paint. Your new heating system is ready.